Now that we've watched the video, completed the worksheet, and reviewed those questions with our class, we're going to see that in action. Here we're going to have our box, so we're going to take just a larger sized box. We're going to go somewhere in our local area to get some soil. Now the thing that we're looking for with this soil and mulch is to have some leaves in there. We want some leaf mold in there. All of the microbes that you might find in soil, we're looking for all of that to layer at the bottom of our box, just like Allison has here in her hand. Then what we'll do is once we have that soil laid over the bottom of our box, what are we doing, Allison?
We are going to take our smaller box, we already have it in here, but we're going to place that down, and we are then going to get our cooked rice that we have over here. And it is very important that it is cooked rice, but we're going to go ahead and sprinkle that into our box and just have it kind of laid out in the middle. And essentially the idea of this is we've gotten all that rich soil and dirt and the leaves and sticks, and we're going to essentially have this as a food source for those microbes to come through the mulch and into the box and have their nice feeding source. What we're then going to do after we've done that is cover it with a paper towel, and we're going to go ahead and cover it up with some of our mulch that's just over into the box, and have it just kind of covered like that. You can tape it on the sides if you would like, but that should be good. And then we will go ahead and close it up. And it's important that we close it up because light does kills the microbes, and so we want it to be in a dark place. But it is important that it is in a warmer area of the classroom, so in a cabinet, under a desk, in the corner of the room, really wherever that it's not going to get too cold and it's going to stay nice and warm and keep light off of it.
Essentially, think about this as we're harvesting microbes, we're creating a perfect environment for them to grow. Usually we don't want mold, but in this case, we want that mold, we want those microbes so that later we can harvest them and use them just like anything else.